Hi folks, I just got my box of CoolYeah storage utility hooks with jumbo arms. There are 10 hooks in total of 3 sizes, 20 pieces, wall anchors, and upgraded screws. These hooks with jumbo arm are made of anti-slip, heavy-duty steel. The hanging part of the hooks has foam protection which reduce friction from suspension objects. These hooks are tough and have good structure stabilization. As you notice, I can pound on it with my hammer and there is no deformation. CoolYeah Hook is your best assistant to organize your space, such as your garage, basement, shop, and kitchen. And it is perfect for hanging heavy objects like folded chairs, ladders, bicycles, garden tools. So let's go get some tools and we're going to install a couple of those hooks on this wall right here and hang some stuff. So the first thing you want to do is line your holes up with the arm. Mark your places in the grout line, and then with the masonry bit, drill 2 holes based on those arm holes. Once you've got that drilled, you want to insert the expansion tubes into those holes. You lightly tap them in with a hammer until they're securely fastened into the hole. Next, we take the arm, place it over the holes, and we add the screws manually to secure it so that we can then screw it in with the screwdriver. Next, with the drill, I screw it in tightly to secure it to the wall. And once these things are screwed in, they're very tight. Then I repeat that process for the second arm. I measure out how far I want to go from one side to the other. Again, I drill into the grout, place the insertion tubes into the grout, tap them in lightly with a hammer. Manually position the arm over the holes and screw them in manually with my hand. So now you can hang whatever you want on your hooks. Ladders, bicycle hoses, whatever you have. And these hooks are very strong once they're installed correctly. Here I took some concrete blocks and stacked them on the ladder that I'd hung on my new hooks. It just to show how strong these things were, and really to give them a test to see would they support just about anything that I hung up there. And as you can see, 3 concrete blocks and still holding. Thanks for watching.